Good afternoon.
Yes. Is it afternoon there? Here it's evening.
No, no, sorry. Good evening.
Okay, okay. There is a little disturbance from your end, background disturbance. Okay, okay. Thank you so much for that. So, yes, welcome to the session. How are you doing?
Ma'am, myself, Noor Nadeem, and I am from Karachi, Pakistan. And
Mhm.
secondly, I am doing amazing, and I'm so happy that I am having a session with you.
Same here. I'm equally happy to meet you. And it feels so great to meet people across the world. So, yes, feeling so good about it. So, let us begin today's session with a little bit of introduction. So, could you introduce yourself?
I've just done my graduation. Now I am learning new skills from YouTube and being myself more skillful in new and advanced things. Yes, that's all.
Okay, so are you a student?
Yes, I have just done my graduation. So now I
Okay.
am not studying further.
Uh-huh. And congratulations on that because doing graduation, completing graduation is also a big deal. So congratulations. So what are your further plans? Do you want to go for a job or something else, maybe further studies?
Actually, I want to do job and I was thinking about any opportunity which I can do online.
Okay.
Now,
Mhm.
yes, ma'am, that's why I am more focusing on my English because now everywhere so people are talking about that there are so many online opportunities which are really good, but for I'm thinking that I love to communicate to people and
Mhm.
I love to solve other people, and I just want a job where I will have an opportunity to talk so many people. So I am thinking that the call center job might be good for me.
Yes,
Like,
yes, why not? Right.
so I'm looking for online opportunity for any call center
Mhm.
where I can talk across the world, not in just
Hmm.
one. So that's why, and it is also my motive to improve my communication more. I am like I can speak whenever I am speaking in front of the mirror, and whenever I am speaking alone, I can speak English really well. But when it comes to talk to someone else, I don't know. I starting hesitation, and
Mhm.
I lost the word. I get confused. What should I say ahead?
Mhm.
So I just want to be a person like there are so many people. Their communication skill is so good that whenever they go anywhere or they talk to anyone, or they always solve other people from their communication skill.
Hmm.
I want to
Right.
be a person like that.
Uh-huh. So you look up to those people, you're inspired from those people who are really good at communication skills, right? And
Yes.
yes, call centers are going to help you a lot in this case because mostly people who complete their graduation, then they do their first job in call centers only because it provides a lot of opportunity to improve your communication skills, your English, talking to people, how to interact, and they learn a lot of things in process. And then they can go forward with other jobs as well. So whatever they've learned in call centers, they can apply all those things in any job, whatever they choose later. So it's definitely going to help. That's a good decision, right?
Mm.
So, yes, you're so young right now, but you're so passionate, so ambitious about your future. So that is really very inspiring. People might get inspired from you when they watch your video. So I just want to know this thing that what motivates you to improve yourself?
What motivates me to improve myself? If I say I just don't want to waste my life, because I think life is very important, and whenever I don't like to sit idle, like I am only wasting my time in scrolling on Instagram, watching dramas on YouTube, and having and being part of the gossips which will not give you anything in the end.
Hmm.
So I just always my time to spend in a things which not only help me to update myself, but I would just want to be a person who is able to do something for not for herself, or एक तो ना, there are so many things come in my mind suddenly that I can't express what do I
Hmm.
want to say. I just
Right.
want to live my life in a way that if after 10 to 15 years, if I see back, so it will not feel like that I wasted my life.
Hmm. That's superb. That's very impressive, I must say. And you've realized a lot of things that people realize later in their lives, maybe after 40s, 50s, and you've realized it at such a young age. So great. You can do a lot in your life, right? That's amazing. Good to know about that. So you're learning English these days, right?
Yes, I'm learning English these days, and there is a big problem with me that, including me, we are four siblings, and
Mm-hmm.
my all siblings are really good. Matlab, they are just 1 year or 2 year younger than me, but they don't talk to me in English.
Okay.
Matlab, it is my biggest problem that
Uh-huh.
I have friends too, but everybody are busy in their life, and my
Mhm.
siblings are also busy. They are busy in their education. So, matlab, I don't have anybody around who can talk to me in English.
Okay. So is this your first time interacting with someone on YouTube?
This is my first time.
Okay, okay, but good, you've taken that initiative. So who do you practice with? You have nobody around. Do you practice online?
I practice with myself. I practice
Mm-hmm.
in front of the mirror, and now like Microsoft Copilot, it's a tool like ChatGPT. It helps me a lot.
Hmm.
Matlab, I am not saying that I don't buy any tool. Matlab, I am not spending my money here. I should do, but now there are so many apps. There are so many apps available where you can talk to the AI app. But now I always go towards the free side.
Hmm. That's good. That's smart, I would say. Why spend money if you're getting everything for free, right? So that's good.
Yes.
That's good. Hmm. And you're
So
improving. You're
yeah.
improving. That's the main part, right?
जी.
But still,
Chat
do you feel good talking to an AI? Like talking to a human being is completely different experience. We can understand their emotions, we can look at their expressions, their body language and everything. So it adds a different kind of flavor in your conversation. But when we talk with AI, sometimes it feels monotonous, robotic. So what do you feel when you talk to AI?
Actually, whenever I talk to AI response is like same every time.
Mm-hmm.
Matlab, response, you will not get any emotional touch here. It will sometimes it don't understand you too, but it's for me. It's really good. I always try to talk to my friends and my siblings that talk to me in English, but when I don't have anyone, na, so I think like, matlab, if they are not talking to me, so I will not make this the problem in my English. If I am not getting the resources, if I am
Mm-hmm.
not getting anybody to talk, I will at least using the resources which are available.
Hmm.
Talking to AI sometimes is very quite difficult. Sometimes it doesn't understand you at all. You are saying
Exactly.
something, you are saying something and it will understanding something else. You are asking something, it will give you answer completely
Hmm.
out of.
Right.
So
And
sometimes
sometimes we get completely irritated. Right. Hmm.
it becomes very difficult for it to explain, right, that we are asking something completely different thing from you, and it was be like, all right, I will next time I will try to answer you in the right way, and still
Hmm.
if we will ask, it will not understand.
Hmm.
Sometimes it's very very irritating.
True that, true that. I've also experienced that thing with ChatGPT. But yes, talking to people is really fulfilling. It's so comforting as well at the same time. Because like if I talk about myself, I don't go out much, but sitting at one place, I'm talking to the world. So
Hmm.
that's a completely different, unique experience, and I'm improving my communication skills in the process. So what could be better than this, I would say, right? I have one contact from your country as well. She is a tutor, so I'll give her contact and you can practice your English with her. She must be having more contacts as well. Hmm. She
Thank
has a
you.
WhatsApp group. Hmm.
It would be a really good opportunity for me. I always try to find people
Hmm.
because
Right.
also don't go much out, always
Hmm.
being at home. So that's why, and my friends, all the friends are busy, and we can't say to them. They are
Right.
always busy. Some are doing jobs, some are busy at their homes. So it would be really good for me having
Mhm.
somebody who I can talk in
Yes.
English.
True that. Those who are working on the same goal, like-minded people, and completely dedicated, that would really help. I'll do that for you. And yes, it's so good that you're learning English. Now, can you tell me what is the most difficult part you find while learning English?
Memorizing, matlab understanding the sentences.
Mm-hmm.
It is, I think it's something very difficult for me, because if I tell you about myself, so I am the person who always like math or chemistry or physics, but I was not good at all in English too when I was in school, and sentences was very much difficult for me. Even easy
Mm-hmm.
sentences was very much difficult for me.
Mm-hmm. So you must have started recently. How long has it been that you are learning English?
Sometimes I'm not consistent, but
Mm-hmm.
uh, when I joined the classes for English, and it happened in I think 2021.
Mm-hmm.
So after it, I lived the classes after just 3 months, and then I was not. I was because I busy in my studies too. After inter, I took admission in graduation, so I was
Mm-hmm.
busy there. So just from I think 5 to 6 months before I started again speaking English.
Okay. Okay, then it's too soon to judge. You have a lot of time. So just keep learning, keep improving. That's what we have to focus on. Okay? So you will do better over time, right?
Yes.
Okay. One piece of advice for our beginner friends, those who are thinking of starting a journey of speaking English.
Be patient.
Mm-hmm.
English is not about that whenever, uh, because we are the people who judge very quickly. Like when we watch one video, whenever we watch someone, it feels like your English speaking. It's very easy thing. The other person is the person we are watching. They are using the simple sentences, but they are speaking English very fluently. Their accent is really good, but when it comes to speak, so na we are not, matlab in beginning we are not able to, we are not speaking English fluently even while using the simple sentences.
Mm-hmm.
So it breaks the confidence that yeah, the other person is also speaking English really well, and she was also na, using the simple sentences, so why not me? So
Mm-hmm.
be patient that English does that you will not be a good speaker overnight. It is a long process, and you will have to speak every single day, and every
Mm-hmm.
single day, every single hour, every single minute, I guess it will count.
Exactly. Whatever you do to improve your English, it will definitely benefit. And sometimes we tend to compare ourselves to someone who is already in the process for years and we are just starting. So there is no point comparing apples with oranges, right? So you need to compare yourself with someone who is at the same level. Then the comparison will work. And we have to do that comparison in a positive way so that we get
Hmm.
motivated, not demotivated, right? So that is definitely very crucial to stay patient throughout the journey because it's a long journey, it's a language, and once you lose touch with the language, you lose your fluency. So every day matters. That's so true. Okay,
Yes.
wonderful to know about your journey, to know about you as well. Your mindset is just perfect, very positive person, I must say. So, yes, because learning language is not that difficult, but developing right mindset is quite difficult. So, you're already done there. You are halfway done, I would say. Right? So, you just have to work on your language now. Okay, so
Hmm.
just keep consuming English content and keep applying whatever you've been learning, keep applying in your daily speaking as well. I'll give you her number, the lady that I was talking about. I'll give you her number. You'll find a WhatsApp group as well, practice with other co learners. That's what we have to do on a daily basis. Daily practice, that's the only mantra. Daily practice will help you improve your fluency, right? plus consuming
जी,
English content. It could be in any form, watching, listening, reading, right?
जी, जी. Yes, on YouTube, whatever the content I consume every day, 90% it's on English. There
That's
are
good.
uh, so many things on the YouTube. I I watch English cartoons.
Mm-hmm.
They are I think they are for me. I'm not in matlab, I like the shows, but I think cartoons are something, it's very interesting to watch them. So it's for entertainment, and two works are happening at a time, that you
Mm-hmm.
are it's for entertainment too, and you are learning some new English words too.
Exactly. Yes, yes. When you watch something interesting, something that you are interested in, you can learn easily. You don't feel bored of watching that particular thing. So that's a good way
Hmm.
to learn. Yes, good. Cartoons are always great, I must say. I still watch cartoons. So, yes, nothing to feel embarrassed about, right?
जी.
Hmm.
Which cartoon is your favorite?
I do not have favorites, but whatever I like I go by thumbnails actually. If I find any interesting thumbnail, I watch Oswald. Have you heard of that?
No, I
Oswald.
haven't heard it before.
So this cartoon has amazing English. Like not even the basic one, but somewhere between beginners to intermediate level. Right? Very natural English, everyday English. So it's a good one. You can also watch.
Hmm. I like to watch, some animated cartoons are on YouTube now, and some fairy tale stories, some Barbie movies. I love to
Right.
watch it since my
Yes.
childhood.
There are many videos on YouTube. It's just that you should be dedicated enough, you should be interested enough, and then everything is there. You're eager to learn. So you'll find your ways out, right? Okay. So, Noor, I think it's time to wrap up this conversation now. It was really nice talking to you, I must say. I loved the conversation. How about you? Did you like it?
I was firstly, I'm very happy. I was very excited that I'm going to have a conversation with you,
Hmm.
because I found your channel few weeks ago, and I firstly, I'm not apple polishing, but I love the way how do you speak, because some, you speak very calmly, and you speak very clear, and you are very easy to understand for everyone. So
Hmm.
I was so happy that I'm going to have a session with you. Thank you so much.
That's so nice of you. Your words mean world to me, I must say. I crave for such kind of appreciation, such kind of appreciation, especially from my subscribers. So yes, thank you again. Okay, so I'll take your leave now and have a great day ahead. It's already
Uh,
evening, right? Okay, then see you again sometime later. Thank you.
Bye bye. Have a
Bye
good day.
bye. Good day.